back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have a super quick update for Partners in Cream. This is a project that's been around, I think it's like 4 years now. I might be a little bit off, but I think this is round 4. It was created by Steph and DeLynn. Those beautiful ladies are going to be listed down below, and if there's a spreadsheet, it will be linked down below. This project is 11 months long. It started on January 10th, will go till December 10th. I'm not sure if it's coming back again next year. I don't know yet. And I think that is everything except for what this project is about, and that is your makeup products that are not powder. Anything that has a higher moisture content, like cream products, liquid products, those kinds of things that will go bad faster. That is what this project is focused on, so that all of your non-powder products get some love and they don't go to waste. So that is the premise. I do not remember how many products were supposed to be in this project. I kept it at 5, and I am very happy to say that I do have 1 empty. So let's get started with my empty. The first one is from Buxom, and that is in the shade Jasmine. It is the lip polish. You can see sort of what the color looked like right there. I did really enjoy this lip gloss, but it is not a color that I would like to wear on a regular basis. That's why it took me a little bit of time to get this one done, but it is done. The stopper was pulled out and everything, so I'm very happy to have another lip gloss empty. The next product I have not used at all since the last update. This is the Kulfi eyeliner in Tiger Queen. It is a beautiful shade, but it just has not made it into my makeup baskets, and therefore it didn't get used. So I do love it, and you can see here where I was last time. It's not like I have a ton of product there, but if it's not in my makeup basket, it's just not going to get used. The next 3 products were all in for usage. The first one is the Purlisse Blush Glow BB Cheek Color, and this is in the shade Sweet Rose. I originally had put this into finish. There was no way I was going to be able to do that this year because I'm working on quite a few cheek products. So I decided to, I think on the last update, switch this to just 10 more uses. And everything that I had used prior to that, that didn't count. And I am at 3 of 10 on those. It is a beautiful shade. I do actually have it in my current makeup basket, which should have gone up yesterday. So hopefully I will get a few more uses on it. This one I'm actually wearing right now. This is the Avon Line and Color Lip Pencil, and it is in the shade Double Barrel Berry. And I've said in the past, this pulls very red on me. I don't know why, but it does. And I mean, you can kind of see that there's some berry tones to it, but it definitely looks very red on my lips. I have this in for 10 uses. I'm currently at 3 uses, and odds are pretty good with this being in my current makeup basket. I can get this one rolled out for the next update. This last one is also in my current makeup basket, and I do have it on today. This is the Kaja Dewy Bar Cheek and Lip Multi Balm, and I think mine is in Grapefruit Gelato. Yes, it is. It is beautiful. It is absolutely a beautiful color. It is extremely dewy. I almost wish I had waited to put this into a project until it was the colder months when my skin is less oily. I wouldn't say it's drier because my skin is never dry, but it is less oily, and when we have heat, this is extremely dewy, but it's beautiful. So I do have it on my cheeks today. I will also use it on my lips to see what it looks like on my lips, but this is the first time I've ever used it, so I'm enjoying it thus far. So only 1 of 10 uses on this one. Again, it is in my makeup basket, so who knows, I might be able to get this one rolled out by the next update as well. So I technically only have 4 products in here right now since I did finish 1 of the 5. I have decided not to roll anything else in because I do have quite a few things in here and I have quite a few projects going on. This is the only one that is into finish, so I don't want to roll anything in that is going to hinder my progress on the things that I already have in projects currently. What I might do is, once I get to the point of being able to roll out one of these products that is just for usage, then I will swap it out for another product that is just for usage. I hope that makes sense. I just don't want to have more conflict. We're getting closer to the end of the year. A lot of things I still have in projects that I would like to have finished before the end of the year, and bringing stuff in that will be a conflict with those things is just going to, like I said, hinder all of my progress. So it doesn't make sense to me anyway to do that. I have quite a few things that I am working on, that I'm enjoying working on, and yeah, I'm not throwing a wrench into all of the works here. So that is everything for this update. Definitely go check out Steph and Delynn. Like I said, they're going to be linked down below. And if there is a playlist, I'll have that down below. All the details, all the things that I can think of that you guys would need to know will be down there if I have access to it. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.